Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy homemade Lebanese bread with capers. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Chop about 50 grams of capers. And add them to your base dough. Knead well for incorporating all the capers, and if the dough is too wet, just add some flour. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Shape the dough like a ball to help it rising. Then put it inside a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Store it in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off. Let it rest for 3 to 12 hours, depending if you used dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table and look how much our dough has risen. Divide it in 2 portions and form 2 balls by stretching the dough, using the frictions between your palm and the dough. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back 1 ball and put some flour on top of it, and flour also the rolling pin. Now roll out the ball into a flat disc. Until it is about 1 centimeter thick. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour. And repeat with the other dough ball. Let the disc rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat. Once hot, place a disc bread in it. Don't overcook it, flip it to the other side. About every 30 seconds for 4 times. Once cooked, wrap it inside a towel to keep it warm and repeat with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey, we'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and Maraka, Chef Ciano and Coach Murad.